2, 3, 4.
Today we're gonna make a garden salsa. I've got red peppers and green peppers. We've got plubanos and tomatoes from the garden, and these are all gonna go in our salsa. The garden's doing great this time of year. We're gonna have some fresh basil in there too. It's really hot in Vegas, so we got the sunshade going. It's keeping everything locked in. All right, so we've got a lemon, garlic, onion, plubanos, tomatoes, a banana pepper, and a jalapeno. We're gonna do half of an orange pepper that we got at the grocery store. And then we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. And we're gonna put it all in our food processor over here. Definitely the easiest way to make salsa is with the food processor. Sometimes you could put chili powder in, but the jalapeno should be pretty spicy, so I think we'll keep it like this. Let's chop these up. All right, we're all chopped up. Let's add these to the food processor. So don't forget the cilantro. Okay, we got a lot in there. We're gonna process that and then add the rest. Okay, we did the first blend. Now we're gonna do the second blend. But before I do that, I'm gonna squeeze the lemon. And we're gonna also add pepper and salt right now. Now you see it gets kind of stuck on top, so usually use a spatula to push that down. Oh yeah, don't do it too much. You don't want to turn it into sauce. You want to have some of those veggies left. That's essentially how you make a garden salsa. Super easy. Now because it's a Devo garden video, I took some of the plubano seeds and put them on our little piece of paper right here, and then I just label it. When those are all dry, I'll bag them and put them in our seed bank. The jalapeno we got from Idaho wasn't too spicy. I'm really happy with the consistency. This is a super easy salsa that you can make right from your homemade garden. Just needed a couple extra things that we didn't have in the garden, like the onion and stuff, but it is fabulous. Enjoy. Get yourself some black tortilla chips. Those are delicious. Thank you so much for watching Devo Gardens. This has been a Garden Salsa episode.